Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. If you're coming back, welcome back. Today I have a mini brands opening, unboxing. What do you call this? I've never had, sorry, my hair. I've never bought a mini brands. I've seen them before. I love the sound they make. I know that sounds so weird, but I love the sound they make when somebody opens one. But I've never bought one because I'm like, what am I gonna do with it? I already have too many knickknacks that I have to dust often, so I was like, I'm gonna have to dust mini knickknacks. So I never liked the idea of it, but when we saw these at Target, I had to get it because Disney Store Edition, and Disney stores are extinct here in Arizona, so I wanted a little bit of that back, so I thought I would buy one. I opened one already with my husband because we couldn't wait, and I made a short of it if you want to watch it, and we already got a couple of the little items, so I already have a couple of them, so I'm going to show them to you just so you know if I have any repeats. So we already got Thor's hammer in the first one. Very cute, very excited. We got a little Captain Marvel, which I don't care too much about. We got little Minnie. She's really mad. I also don't care too much about Minnie. Welcome to my channel. Do I even like Disney? I got little Tinkerbell. I hate Tinkerbell. I know. Right now you're like, if you're new, you're like, what did I click on? But I love this. My mom is going to love this specifically because it's so tiny. But I just personally don't like Tinkerbell. She's not my thing. And then I got my favorite, which is the Alien. So this one I'm really stoked about, as you can tell. I really like aliens. So those are what I have. I haven't really looked at the chart yet to see like what I want and don't want. All I know for sure is that I want the display cases. You can get display cases of the Disney Store. So I'm really hoping I get one of those. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the first one. I'm really hoping I get the display cases, and I'm hoping for no doubles, especially of Captain Marvel. I don't know why. Did you like the movie? Let me know. It was fine. I really like the MCU, but that is not a movie that I gravitate towards. I don't know what it's missing. I really like Brie Larson in Room. Room. I really liked her in Room, but I don't know if I like her as Captain Marvel. Okay, so I opened it, I think. Also, if you're new to my channel, I don't know how to open things. I'm really bad at opening things, so this might take a while, so bear with me. Okay, so here it is, and I believe it opens like an apple, so I think you press it down and you open it like an apple. My husband opened the last one, so that's why I don't know. So yes, you open it like a little apple. Is it an apple or an orange? Orange. Okay. Go ahead and open the first one. I'm really excited. I hope it's a display case. I really want a display case. It's not. Okay. Oh, okay, but it's new. Ooh. Okay. It is the Spider-Man helmet. It's really, really cute. You can see the sides of it. It looks just like the toy. I'm so excited about this one. I do like Spider-Man. I love Spider-Verse. Yeah, Into the Spider-Verse? No, it's called Homecoming. I really loved it. And then in here is also the little paper that shows you what you could get. So I will show that to you at the end of just some items that we could get. I want anything that's golden. I would love any of the displays that you can get. And then, I don't know, I'm not too picky after that. I think there was a lunchbox I wanted. Is that weird? Do I want things that people usually don't want? I don't really know how this works. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the next apple. I don't know if they're called apples. What is it? Oh, it's a Fiji, a little camera. It's so cute. Yes, this is adorable. It looks just like it. I actually have one, but I don't really travel with it because I know the film can get screwed up or you have to tell TSA you brought it. And it just sounds like a hassle, but this is absolutely adorable. So cute. I'm happy we don't have any repeats yet. All right, let's keep going with my little apple. Let's see. What's this? Not a repeat. Yeah. Okay. So it is from Tangled, Rapunzel? I always mispronounce her name. It's little Rapunzel, pretty cute. It's a little bit rough. I think Tinkerbell looks better like in detail. So she's a little bit rough, but still really cute. The box is still really cute. I think my mom is also gonna like this one, so that's probably gonna go towards my mom. Pretty much any Disney princess will probably go towards my mom. I like Disney princesses, but not really. I like Belle, so if I get anything Belle, it'll be great. All right, the next thing that I got is Captain America, which I also don't like. I know this video is like things I don't like. I don't know what it is about Captain America. Also not my favorite MCU, but I'm glad it's not a repeat yet. And these two will go great for somebody, not for me. But it's really cute. I keep dropping them. How do you hold these without dropping them? They're so tiny. Very, very cute. It looks like an actual figure. Wow, they do such a good job with the details. I'm really pleased with no repeats yet. Okay, let's keep going. And this is the last one from the set, and it's a repeat. I talk too fast. And it's another Tink ball. Yay, yay. All right, let's move on to the next ball. Let's hope for something golden or a kit. I'm really hoping it's something golden or a kit. I don't know if I'm opening these correctly. Do you collect mini brands? I know there's mini brands of like fashion and like home stuff. I know there was like a grocery ones. I think they're really cute, but what do you do with them other than display them? Is that the purpose of them? I feel like unless I get one of those little displays, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Okay, so I wanna make sure I'm opening this correctly. I think you push it in and then pull. Somebody's probably cringing, I'm sorry. Oh, I opened it the opposite way this time. Oh, you take this off. Okay, let's go ahead and grab the first one. It is, yes! It's Little Stitch! So cute! I'm really happy about Little Stitch. He's so cute. I was hoping I got Little Stitch because I noticed that you can get Little Stitch or her or Mickey, I believe. And so I already got her, so I'm really, really happy that I got Little Stitch because I actually like Stitch. That's right, there's a character I like. And this is really, really cute. I don't know what it's supposed to look like. I don't know if it's supposed to look like a character from, like a, I don't know, like a game. All right, the next one. Oh, yay, not a repeat, but not exciting. I think these are less exciting because it's just a box, right? It's just cardboard, so I feel like I could print this out and do it myself. It's still really cool. It's like a little toy box of the Falcon, and I think it's supposed to be like Clone Wars or something just based on the graphics. I guess you'll have to let me know what it is. It's a Millennium Falcon, and it's supposed to have stuff. It has nothing inside. I already know because if you shake it, there's literally nothing inside. So kind of disappointing. I'm glad it's not a repeat, but it's not really an item, so I don't know how to feel about it. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Oh, yeah, it's not a repeat. And at last I see the light. It's, what's his name? Frowny Face. Oh my, Flynn Rider. Not Frowny Face. What, Smolder? Or is that Jurassic? What is that? What does he make? What faces does he make? I really like Flynn Rider. I think he's one of my favorite princess. He looks really angry here. I don't know that it looks like him. I think it's the same quality as Rapunzel. Not great, but still really cute. And I think my mom is gonna love them. So those are all going to her. Let me keep going. I forgot which apple I was on. All right. Let's peel. Yay! Okay, so I got another little thingy. I think they come in every single one of them. Am I done with this apple? No, we have one more. It is Princess Anna. She's really, really cute. Also probably going towards my mom, and I say probably because I actually really like Princess Anna. I love her personality and I love how independent she is, and it is just so adorable and so cute. These look just like the actual toy. I am going to California soon, and they do have Disney stores out there, so I kind of want to take some of these and compare them to the real thing. I don't know. All right, and here is the last one. Yay, 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 yay. Okay, we got a display case. It has a bunch of little items. I'm so excited about this. Am I supposed to be excited about the display cases? Or am I supposed to be excited about the items? Because I'm more excited about the display cases. So I'm done with this apple. I'm gonna put it together and then I'll come back because I can't wait. It's actually more complicated than I thought. So I think I'll do it at the end of the video because I want to see what else I got. I'm just really excited that I got a display. So exciting. Not bad, not bad. I'm not gonna jinx myself. I'm not gonna say anything, but not bad. I'm gonna keep going. I still haven't gotten a golden item or a bag. Like, they have little totes that look like the Disney store totes. And I haven't gotten that yet. I also would like that rather than a toy. But I'm gonna be happy with what I'm getting because I am doing pretty good, I would say. I don't know how rare this is. Are you a collector? Are you watching this because you're a collector and you're just like, you clearly know nothing? Or what? Because I'm not a collector. All right, we learned this time. We pull this up. Okay, maybe not. Yeah, we pull this up and then it opens the apple. Yay! We are learning. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and peel it. Oh, what this? Aw, Thor's hammer. Yay, I mean, yay. Another one of these things. Okay, let's do it again. What is it? What is it? Another mini. Man, I wonder if it's gonna be the same. Oh. Okay, let's keep going. Feel it. Something new, and it's cool. Okay, it's a baby Darth Vader. I'm so stoked about him. This is so cute. Yes, so exciting, so worth the repeats because he is adorable and I really wanted to see what he would look like from up close. It looks just like the toy. I do have two brothers and they did collect quite a bit of action figures and they did like Star Wars, so I feel like it's a good representation of what it actually looks like. Let's go on with the next one. Oh, it's Flynn Rider. I mean, Flynn, you're cool and all, but okay. One more apple, one more apple. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. Okay, it's not bad. It's not great. It's a display case, but it's the same display case. I mean, once I know how to build one, I'll know how to build the other one, and I'll have two, and eventually that's kind of a store, but no golden items and no totes. I have one more to go right here. And that's it, because I told myself I would not buy any more because I cannot become obsessed with this. I don't know. I'm already collecting pops, as you can see behind me, Loungeflies, tumblers, and tumblers have been the toughest because they're really hard to store. I'm collecting too much stuff already, so I can't become a collector of mini brands. I just not allowed to. So I'm just hoping that this one, come on, gives us the good stuff because it's our last one. So good vibes, good vibes. Okay, let's get to it. I'll peel it. Okay, all right, it's meant to be. What are you? Yay! All right, not a golden item. Let's not get that excited, but it is Belle. Oh, she's so pretty. Actually, she is much more well-made than Rapunzel. I'm so sorry, Rapunzel. I don't mean to diss on you, but so much better detail. The box is cute. She's holding books in the back. Adorable. So exciting. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Okay, let's keep going with the next one. What is it? Oh, it's another box. Which is fine. It's just cardboard though. I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about. Like, I like these things because you can see the little details versus this is just, I feel like, a box. And it's cute and it's miniature, but it's, I don't know, it's not, yeah, you can see how it's just like more cardboard. I don't know. It's cool. Not a repeat. I'll take it. But we have 3 more slices and I haven't gotten a gold thing or a purse yet. What are we? What are we? What are we? We have another one. Yay! Princess Leia. So cute. I really like Princess Leia. It goes so perfect with this. They're gonna be in the same shelf together. I'm already imagining it. So cute. I'm really happy about her. She's not golden, but I'll take her. Okay, we have 2 more apples. Let's go with the right side. Let's see it. Ooh, what is it? Oh, it's a phone. It's a cute little phone. How cute. I really like this. It's gonna go cute. It's gonna go in the shelf as the little Fuji camera. You know what I'm talking about, right? Okay, last one. Last one. I'm gonna close my eyes. You'll have to let me know what I get. What is it? Is it good? Oh, it's not bad, but it's not great. It's Buzz Lightyear to the rescue. He is gonna go in the same shelf as him. So cute. I'm so excited for that. But yes, overall, not bad. We had 4 repeats. We had her repeat, him repeat, and they repeat. So we had 4 that repeat, which is really not bad. If you got any bags or any other stands and you want to trade, let me know in the comments or on Instagram. If you got the lunch tote twice, let me know in the comments on Instagram. If you got double golden, which if you did, good for you. Let me know on Instagram if you want to trade for any of my repeats. But yeah, I don't know. The little bags look so cute. I'm hoping I got a short display and a tall display. I think I did. That would be great. Overall, I'm pleased. Not bad, not bad at all. I'll show you everything at the end, how I displayed it. I do hope you liked my video. If you're new here, it would really help out my channel if you subscribed. We are growing and I do go to Disneyland, Disney World. I went to Disney Paris. We really want to go to Disney Japan as soon as they say go. I go to Universal Studios. We've gone on a cruise and I want you to come with us on our magical adventures. So if you subscribe, you can see all of my content from previous trips and all of my upcoming content. Let me know in the comments if you got one of these and then what you wanted, and if you got it. Are you lucky with this stuff? I don't get wishables or mystery pins or any mystery stuff because my luck is usually not that great. But I will say that for 4 apples, 4 repeats is pretty good. So yeah, until next time, adios.